place is a nature paradise, and we are going immediately to go harvest the rattan shoots. It's extremely spiky. This is the curry, the krill paste. Beautiful assortment of ingredients that are gonna go into this dish. So the next step is to peel the yot wai. These are the rattan shoots. Oh wow. The rattan shoots. Galanga. Pumpkin goes in, sweet potato. Some of the fresh eggplant, roasted mackerel. Bunch of makrut lime, let's go in. A squeeze of lime juice as well. Young citrus leaves, gang nam curry, yot wai, which is the rattan shoot curry. Oh wow, this might be one of my new favorite curries in the south of